How do I decide which specialty tools belong on every vehicle? The tools that belong on every vehicle are the ones you would need in an emergency or for basic upkeep, no matter what you drive, like a scissor jack, a tire pressure gauge, jumper cables, and a simple socket set. Think of your car like a body, and these tools are like a small first aid kit you keep nearby just in case something goes wrong. Every vehicle needs a way to check tire pressure because tires slowly lose air over time, even without a leak, and driving on low tires wastes gas and wears them out faster. You also want a jack and lug wrench that actually fit your car, since not all jacks work the same way for every vehicle. Something a lot of people do not know is that many cars today come with a tiny or even fake spare tire, so it helps to test your spare and jack at home once, before you actually need them on the side of the road. Jumper cables or a small portable jump starter can save you when your battery dies, which often happens at the worst possible time, like early morning before work. Keeping a flashlight and a basic multi-tool in your glove box also helps for those nighttime breakdowns when you cannot see anything under the hood. One common mistake is buying a random toolkit without checking if it fits your specific vehicle, so always match your socket sizes and jack type to your car's manual first. Another misconception is thinking newer cars do not need these basic tools since they feel more reliable, but electronics and batteries can still fail without warning, so keeping these tools is still smart. A lot of people also forget to test their tools before an emergency happens, so take 5 minutes every few months to make sure your jack, spare tire, and jumper cables actually work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIter, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.